Morning, y'all. It's your boy Junior back. Junior's gang here. Feel me? It's a pretty good day. The sun is out.
This is a good day? You said you true, bro. This ain't a good day, bro. It's raining.
Don't you see the sun is out? Like, come on now. Don't you see the sun? Oh my god. So nice.
Bro, they can't even see that with that shitty camera.
Fuck you.
It's the truth.
It's not shitty. Well, it's shitty. But like.
Oh, I got you, bro. I'm gonna bring my Canon next time.
Alright, then let me use your camera.
The Cammy?
Yeah.
The shit Cammy?
Camera. A mess. But like, yeah.
Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet, Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet, rep the set, yeah. Gotta rep the set, gang. Chase.
So, today's Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday, right? It's raining. And, I don't know what to say. Because like, when I'm with you, I feel weird. I feel you're gonna go on me for everything I said.
Just say it, bro. I ain't gonna say shit. Honestly, I ain't gonna say shit. Right? The viewers agree.
So, we're going to school. No, the bus is not coming this time. So, we're going to school. I have to wait for the bus driver. And yeah, it's kind of drizzling. It's not raining too much. And yeah, your boy gonna stay in school, be a good scholar, right? I'm not gonna stay in school, kids. Just letting y'all know that.
I can't even see myself. All I see is like a black head shape face.
Because you're facing up towards the thing, you have to face up door, and you're retarded. You don't know how to vlog.
Ew, the fuck is that?
You know when the light is beaming you, it's gonna be black. It's gonna be like a shadow. Ew, it's like you're standing taking a selfie.
You really got a camera?
Ah!
My boy Andy. Hey, stop being a dick.
Why are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging. He just took my camera.
Hey, my boy Andy. Andy. Andy, you still fucks with me?
Yeah.
Andy. It's my boy Edwin. Where you at? Hey.
Remember to follow,
If you're not
subscribe,
using this umbrella.
and give it a like.
No, listen what he said. He retarded. Andy, you got something to say?
No.
Ah, the fucking rain is stinging my eyes. Oh, wait. It's my boy Emmanuel. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's like right there. right. Shit, right there. Hey, Manny! Hey, Emmanuel! Where you at? Yo! Say something to the camera.
Kill yourself. Don't kill yourself, guys.
You said what?
There goes Nacho's car. The
Oh,
garbage truck.
hey, you see Edwin's car right there? Yeah, that's Edwin's car. That's like, he's buying that shit.
I thought that was your car.
Right? Why did I come today? Oh yeah, Emmanuel, room. Oh yeah, Emmanuel. Oh yeah. You fucks with that car? Yeah. Hey, where you at?
I'm right behind you. These umbrellas.
That's mine.
It's just so small. I don't know. It was on the floor. No one was using it.
Be in school, kids.
Hey, bro, I
Follow
got a
your
short
teacher.
umbrella for short people.
Follow your teacher. Listen to your teachers.
I'm done vlogging.
Done vlogging.
You haven't tapped
Wow, you heard him, guys.
Stepson.
Or why is it crooked?
There you go.
Get the shit off my face. But yeah, you already know. Stay in school. Be good.
Oh my god.
Be happy. Have good vibes. Always smile. And remember.
Remember, be a good scholar. I mean,
Something these
they
two
won't
are.
understand that because, some of your viewers ain't from here.
And remember, you gotta
Oh my
grind
God.
to shine. Love y'all.
You also
See you
gotta
later.
grind.
My name is Jose.
You vlog when we don't have class. I've been asking for like
But I didn't see you in class yesterday. I didn't see you in class. I wasn't here.
That's the only thing.
Talk to me, Jose. So you don't want to be in my vlog? See? See, that's what happens.
789.
Teacher, bro.
Who?
Ugly lady right there.
But tell us.
Biggest scholar. You see this? She applied for food.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
What the?
You're so close up.
I didn't sign a publicly release.
Just know she applied. She got hella food.
Really?
And yeah, hit her up, you know. Huh?
I'm balling, boy. Yes. What's your YouTube channel? King Junior.
King Junior, you're funny. But yeah, you know, class is about to end, and you took the camera off.
Alright,
Yeah,
now
you know-
look through the bag. I'm not gonna steal anything. I'll give you the $1 first.
What are you recording?
We got this on camera. She gave me the $1.
You have proof, bro. Last time I said
Of course, Eduardo here.
Let's get with 2 likes.
2 likes, 2 likes. Yeah, let's get 2 likes, guys. Fat ass.
I hate that it says 2 sides.
But yeah, see, I'm a good scholar. See, I do my work. See, Mom, I know you watching this. I'm a good scholar. Okay?
Okay,
I'm actually doing my work.
I
I'll see y'all later. Deuces.
My boy can see himself. Oh shit. How do you start your video? How do you start your video? We out here, bro. We on my man's vlog out here, bro. My man's vlogging now. Oh shit. Hey, we're on. Hey, this is lit, bro. Hey. Hands ready, you ugly as shit.
And you're not.
Subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe.
You ugly?
Sounds fake.
None of this.
It's too big on my wrist.
Oh yeah, L1.
You got half dinner?
Let me see. Let me see. Give me that.
That's fake.
I don't care.
Oh shit, this is
How do, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Sam. Oh, I can't with myself. Okay, so you know I'm here at lunch, bro, with my man. Yeah, let me do it.
So, I'm at lunch. Yeah, I want my homie. I want my homie. Deuces. But that's all you do.
Alright,
Why you here?
Damn, this nigga ugly.
Record this, record this.
Vanessa. Vanessa.
Say hi to the
You
vlog.
want to be on my vlog? Frick. Damn, get into view, bro.
It is too. Do a montage.
Look at this bitch.
Look at Yasin.
Yasin, Yasin. Look.
You got Yasin, you were like.
Alright, I think I got this now. I got long ass neck. Am I getting it? No, I don't even know. Oh shit. Bro, this is fun.
Why not?
Yasin, what is... Bro, you're gonna get famous.
No.
Yo, Evelyn! Hey! But she's gonna get you like 50 more subscribers. Bye vlog. Peace out, homies.
What's up, y'all? So I forgot to end the vlog, so like I'm gonna end it right now, you know. And yeah, it was a good day. It was a good day with my friends, you know. It was weird, but like, you know, we lit. We always lit, you know. We always happy. We always smiling, you know. Remember, that's the #1 key. Y'all gotta smile. You gotta be happy, and you know, be a good scholar. Do your work. Because when you older, it's going to pay off. I'm telling you. But yeah. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow with a brand new vlog. And yeah, remember, you got to smile. Have good vibes. Be happy. And remember, you got to grind to shine. Love y'all. Let's go. Damn, it didn't work. Roll the outro.
Hey, my life bitch, you was your mess. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me no more. Hey, she kick me out on life, bro. Hey, that bitch don't wanna be friends. Hey, I give her this, she a man.